Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language in English. Today, we are going to learn imperatives. Daily useful imperative clauses to part 1 in this lesson. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. I am Miss Bokraglatsgalau, freelance language teacher. Yong with your kam jangau ga dai in the YouTube channel ko na ngai the rao shangun hkringdat madun ga yan do ni phe matut khajala ga. Let's talk about the imperative. It is a very direct form. For example, eat. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say sha u. Although it is the direct form, but in our everyday life, we are using the imperative a lot. For example, in the family, the parents to the children or within among, we use the imperative a lot. Of course, we don't use this imperative to talk to the boss. However, let's learn this imperative. What is the imperative clauses? The imperative clauses, we use it when we want to tell someone to do something. For advice, suggestion, request, command, order, or instructions. For example, the children are so noisy. You like them to be quiet. You say be quiet. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say zim u. Let me explain a bit in Kachin Jinghpaw. Shangun hkringdat madun ngugo ding tok sunai gare gashton sha u. Eat. Gray ding tok sunai re mjo. Ti nang thak grau guba me shagba ni phego. Lang tim dum ta tha gnu gwa ni kshuksha ni phe shini shgu lang to re mjo. Ndai phe shin la ga. Shangun hkringdat madun gayando ni go. Pajijo ga, piglijin ga, aminga, masun ga, shirin achin ga ni tha, ndai phe langai, lamana mani grai guru gji to ten tha, zim u, ngusundat ai ga go, shangun hkringdat madun ga yan do re, nglik khusundang yang go, be quiet. Let's learn more detail. In English, the imperative is using the based form of a verb. You see here the given example, the infinitive verb to take. In Kachin Jinghpaw, it is la I. When you omit to, without the to, it becomes the base form of a verb. Take. That is imperative. In Kachin Jinghpaw, la I becomes to la u. Ingli ga tha go. Shangun hkringdat madun ga yan klona ngayang. To take go na to pet langai sha. Take pet lango dat yang. Shangun hkringdat ga yan tai madai. Anti Jinghpaw ga tha go la u ngumung mai sunai la snu ngumung mai sunai la u yo ngumung mai sunai la rit ngamung mai sunai ndai go madun da the mren grai lo mai sunai ngu phe mum dai. Let me explain the imperative in Kachin Jinghpaw language. The Kachin Jinghpaw language is a phonetic language totally controlled by sounds. In English, you omit to just using the base verb forms the imperative. Let's see here, take. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say la u. As you see in this slide, you can also say la sunu, la dat u, la kau u, la kau dat u, la kau dat u lo, la u le, la u yo. It depends how the speaker like to swing this imperative. You can use many varieties. Let's go to the given second line base verb wait. You have to say la u. Take la u and wait la u. Written is the same, but the intonation is different. Meaning is also different. For take in Kachin Jinghpaw, la u, the tone is up. Wait, la u, the tone goes down. You can also say la read. Okay, give base verb in Kachin Jinghpaw. You can say jo u, jo read. Sit, sit down, base verb. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you can say dung u, dung ga, dung sga. Eat, sha u, sha ga, sha zga. There are so many possibilities to express the imperative in Kachin Jinghpaw language. To practice daily imperative clauses, I will use the ending u or the ending snu or the ending read in Kachin Jinghpaw language from this slide. Get up, rodu. Get up at 7 a.m. King snita rodu. Get up at 7 a.m. King snita rodu. Take a shower, Kachin u. Take a shower, Kachin u. Wash face, midu. Wash face, midu. Wash your face, man midu. Wash your face, man midu. Brush teeth, tu. Brush your teeth, watu. Brush your teeth, watu. Comb, masitu. Comb your hair, gramasitu. Comb your hair, gramasitu. Get dressed, punpulong punu. Get dressed, punpulong punu. Eat sha'u. Eat breakfast. Mnaplu sha'u. Eat breakfast. Mnaplu sha'u. Go sa'u. Sasanu. Go to the office. Rungde sa'u. Go to the office. Rungde sasanu. Eat sha'u. Eat lunch. Shani shat sha'u. Eat lunch. Shani shat sha'u. Eat dinner. Shana shat sha'u. Eat dinner. Shana shat sha'u. Clean. San sankra glo. Clean this room. Ndai gokpe san sankra glo. Clean this room. Ndai gokpe san sankra glo. Clean the kitchen. Shat gokpe san sankra glo. Clean the kitchen ชัดกกเพะสันแสงครากโลอู Clean the toilet นำดุมเพะสันแสงครากโลอู Clean the toilet นำดุมเพะสันแสงครากโลอู Wash part of your body กชินกมูนอู Wash your hand ละตะกชินกมูนอู Wash your hand ละตะกชินกมูนอู Wash the clothes ครุดอู Wash the clothes dry them พุนปลงเพะครุดอูไดเพะลามอู Wash the clothes dry them พุนปลงเพะครุดอูไดเพะลามอู Give โจอู Give mom roses นูเพะนุมริปันโจอู Give mom roses นูเพะนุมริปันโจอู Wear the clothes ปูพุนอู Wear jeans จินลบูปูพุนอู Wear jeans จินลบูปูพุนอู Wear the shoes ดินอู Wear the shoes เก็บดินอู Wear the black shoes ฉันพิเก็บดินอาจังเพะดินอู Wear the shoes เก็บดินอู Wear the black shoes ฉันพิเก็บดินอาจังเพะดินอู Take ลาอู Take this dog ได้กุยเพะลาอู Take this dog ได้กุยเพะลาอู Take a rest คริงสะลาอู Take a rest คริงสะลาอู From now on, let's practice the imperative clause with please. If you want your audience to stand up, you put please in this imperative clause. Please stand up. Jeju te sapka. Please stand up. Jeju te rot sapka. Sit down. Dunga. Please sit down. Jeju te dunga. Please sit down. Jeju te dunga. Wait. La u. Please wait for me. Jeju te ngai phe la u. Please wait for me. Jeju te ngai phe la u. Help. Grum u. Grum la u. Grum la rit. Please help me. Jeju te ngai phe grum u. Please help me. Second line. Jeju te ngai phe grum la u. Please help me. Jeju te no grum la rit. Stay. Nga u. Let's enjoy. Pyolaga. Please stay one more night. Jeju te lana mi no nga u. Let's enjoy full moon night together. Shita shugong shnata. Rao no pyolaga. Let me repeat these phrases again. Please stay one more night. Jeju te lana mi no nga u. Let's enjoy full moon night together. Stashgong shnata. Rauno piolaga. I'm going to finish this lesson here. Do join next lesson. We are going to learn the imperatives with do, the imperatives with let us, let's, and the negative imperatives in next lesson. I welcome any questions. Drop your comments. Leave your suggestions. Please subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much for joining with me. Grai jejuk basayo. See you next time. Pangde bai krumga.